I'm Anthony, I'm a sales consultant here at Cain Toyota, and today we're going to talk about Apple CarPlay. After you plug the phone into the hard wire down on below the dash, right there, this screen will pop up, and what you want to press is always enable. After you do that, every time you plug the phone in, it's actually going to automatically start for you. And after it loads, this is what you'll see. This is going to be your home screen, so it's just like projecting your phone onto the display here. It's going to keep things hands-free for you. When you hit the home screen, this is what you'll see. This is just like using the home button on your iPhone. As you can see, your phone, music, maps, messages, podcasts, Spotify is available. You'll be able to use Waze and Google Maps there as well, as long as it's downloaded on your phone. Siri, take me to Cain Toyota.
Getting directions to Cain Toyota.
And it's that easy. You can do that all while you're driving. You can leave your phone down on the dash or tucked away on the wireless charger. You will never have to worry about it. And that's Apple CarPlay.